Alright, so over here we have our fuel filter holder and air filter holder, and here's the little snorkel thing here. But anyway, so this is going to kind of fold up out of the way, and then this is in a little clamp that holds it down to the engine. So we're going to pop it up out of there so we can get this cap off right here. So these little clips just snap off, and see how they kind of clamp like that, and then to release them you just pull them up like that, and then it comes right off. And then so here's your outer air filter, and here's the inner. I didn't purchase the extra inner. This one looked fine. It's just a really fine mesh. So we're gonna just put a new outer one on there. So I've got a Baldwin RS5273 that came in that kit, and here's the new filter. It looks a lot different than the old one, huh? A lot cleaner. So that just pushes right down on there, and the little rubber grommet that's on the back side of it holds it in place, and then the cap just goes back on where this is a little dust vent here that catches dust. You'll want to squeeze that every once in a while and make sure there's not a bunch of dust built up in there and bugs and things. But we'll go ahead and shake it out while we've got it apart. But you want that pointing down. You'll see the cover has a label on it that says top, so you want that up. And then it just snaps right down into that clamp, and then push that right back down there. Alright, well that was easy. So we'll go ahead and move down to the fuel filter. Okay, on the right hand side of the tractor, if you were sitting in the tractor, there is a housing right here that holds the fuel filter, and this just twists off. So that's just some diesel fuel dripping out of there. So what we've got is some diesel fuel and an O-ring and the old filter. So here's the filter, this white part here, and this O-ring here seals the filter against this housing. So we're gonna try to pull this filter out and then replace it with the new one. Alright, well it took a little coaxing, but I got the old filter out. Ended up just having to just kind of pull it up and up and up. You know, it kind of was shoved down in there, so I kind of had to wiggle it back and forth and get it pulled out of there. But I did get it out. And I saved the old O-ring that goes into the top of it. And so here's my new filter. It's a PF9911, and so let's see what's inside of here. Okay, yeah, it looks exactly like the old one that came out, so that's good. It comes with this little O-ring in the top, and that goes right inside of here to help seal the output. So let's peel that off. Get that out. That goes right down inside of that little hole there. Alright, so we've got our new filter installed in the housing, O-ring back in place, a new O-ring in the center. So let's get this put in here. So that's about it. You just thread it up on there, tighten it down by hand, and let's see if it holds. Looks like I've got a little bit kind of dripping around the side there from where I tightened it up. Well, let's start it up and see how everything works. Alright guys, well that takes care of our maintenance on the Kubota B7500 for today. We'll get it fired up and get cutting some grass soon. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.